Alright, so thank you and welcome to my website www.jeffsigalat.webs.com. So since you are already here on my website, I am also encouraging you to register. But how are you going to register? Alright, so I'm going to give a brief instruction on how to register. Alright, so as far as the registration is concerned, of course, you have to click first the word register and you have to fill up the given registration form in my site. And you have to use email address, which is the same with your email address on your Yahoo Messenger. But when it comes in password, of course, you have to create another password which is exclusively in my website. So after you sign up, so you have to send a request for verification, and after you send a verification, so that's the time for you to verify your account. But how are you going to verify your account? Of course, you have to open your Yahoo Messenger and you have to read the message in your inbox, the verification message or the confirmation message. And if there is an instruction which is follow the links below, of course, you have to follow that and you have to click the word which is in a hyperlink that is with the color blue, right? So with underline, of course. So if you click that already, so you will become a member of my website. So as easy as that, very easy to register, right? So I am encouraging everyone to visit and register this website, www.jeffsigalat.webs.com. So I am looking forward to see you all in my member list, and I will continue to upgrade my website in order for you to enjoy it more. All right. So see you all guys there. All right. So again, www.jeffsigalat.webs.com. So this is the official site of yours truly. All right. So that's it.